This is Limbaplexx, a toy that lets you customize your experience for the perfect fit. There's a bendable wire inside that lets you adjust the Limbaplexx to your unique shape or to your favorite position, so you can get to your G-spot, A-spot, P-spot, or any other spot, putting it in a category all of its own. The Limbaplexx is more than a dildo. It's a fit toy. Limbaplexx comes in 2 sizes. Medium, which is great for thrusting, and small, which is perfect for grinding. Not only is the Limbaplexx designed to bend, its slim silhouette and size provide a truly comfortable fit. Curious? Limba is strap-on friendly. The base is sturdy but thin, so you and your partner can get close. And Limba has a suction function, which means you can stick it on any flat surface, like the shower wall, for fun in a couple or solo. Don't worry, that suction hold is strong enough to handle any thrusting or grinding you're planning on. Plus, it's made from handcrafted, body-safe silicone, responsibly manufactured in Germany. You can customize everything these days. Shouldn't you be able to customize your sex toys too? Limbaplexx. Find your perfect fit. Funfactory. Be playful.